Grabe, dali ka ay na-dissolve
Around 20 seconds.
Grabe. Dali ka siya sa nga tanan nak. Napay bulk
I
nga
put it in
guys.
hot water right away, so can't clean that.
Dissolve na siya. So, she's putting the sticky note. Tapos what's it called? The candle na.
The candle sticky.
Kuha na lang nak. Tulura ka book siya nak. Para I just gonna put na lang the other one para ready siya next batch. Halaga, ragi a bunch of these na lang. Char. Sana all.
Like that?
Hala, we're gonna have a business na lang, nak. Candle business. Sana all. Ato kan. Lupigan to si daddy. Agsabat ni daddy atong kuan sekreto. Charis. Ayun na siya. Hapit na good.
I guess we don't need these because these are super tall.
So, what is that for?
For big candles,
To...
you put it on there, you put the string in it. So
Okay.
But the string is super tiny.
Ala, lagi na kay uwad kuan.
It won't fall because it's super short. If it's long, it'll fall.
Okay. Okay, dokie. Good job, babe. We're gonna get akong pinaka-paborito nga kuan is lavender. Kaya maka-relax siya sa kawakwakan. So, here's my oils. Here is like 100% oil. We have lavender. Hurot na gid siya. Super empty na. Ay, nako. Napatay extra tea tree oil. Natay do kabuk. So, anyway, Madam Sir. That's our project of the day. After a long day. Time check. 2 plus p.m. Nawala.
You can put a towel on
Let me see. Nice. Good job, babe.
Can you put the towel on so it's super wet on the bottom? Get
Yeah,
really
stop.
hard to wash.
Wow. Tagasan siya eh. Kabisi ba kaya? Tagasan siya eh. Char bagid kaya.
I don't think this is enough.
Yeah, we're gonna do more again. Turo siya ka. Perfect lagi na. Yay! Yeah, tari na gani. Wow, nice. Pagkaza na Yay! Din ko anak ka ng oil dayon. Yay! Or a lot. 1366.
C6?
I'm not sure kung ikura-kura pa. It's okay na lang. No need na ikura-kura
Why is it coming so slow?
Teacher oil is weird.
Okay, so you feel if this is one. This one should be in the bathroom. That's nice. They just do a lot because the sink's in the bottom all the time.
Yeah.
Now it's